Going to replacing edge tempered glass of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I bought this one from Flipkart. This is our edge tempered glass screen guard. Now I am removing our phone's old screen guard. First I am using a white paper for cleaning its display. Then I am cleaning water content by using a paper. Almost it cleaned. We got two type of paper with a screen guard, wet and dry. Again cleaning by using wet paper. After that using dry paper for cleaning perfectly. Final cleaning by using dry paper. Next I am recognize fixing position of screen guard. Next remove its sticker and fixing it carefully. You can see no bubbles found in this display. It is very simple, you can do it. Thanks for watching guys.